Hi YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a video about my emergency car supplies. Now I do keep these two items that you're looking at in the trunk of my car, but I also have a third item that I am not going to show in this video that I also keep in the trunk of my car. I bought my car a few years ago, and when I bought it, it came with an emergency roadside assistance kit, and I leave that kit in the car at all times. It even has some Velcro that it actually sticks to the floor of the trunk. So I leave that in there, and I'm not going to show it in this video, but I will say that within that kit there are jumper cables, there is a caution triangle, it also came with a crank radio, flashlight, a first aid kit, and work gloves. So you're not going to see that, but I just wanted to throw that out there because when I pull this stuff out, the first thing someone is going to say is, where are the jumper cables? I have them, they are in the car, I just didn't bring it into film. So these two items are the supplies that I put together myself, and we're going to take a look at that. I will also say that what is also in my car that came with the car is a tire repair kit. And the reason that that tire repair kit came with the car is because the car did not come with a spare. Didn't come with a donut or anything. When I bought the car, it didn't really bother me, but the more I get into emergency preparedness, the more I am coming to realize that I probably need to go ahead and purchase either a donut or even a full-size tire. So that's something I'm going to do within the next few months. But anyway, moving forward, we're going to take a look at what is inside of these two items that I have here in front of you. Now, first up is this toolbox. Now, I bought this toolbox from Walmart. I don't remember how much I paid for it, but I do know there were three sizes that they had. This is the middle one, the medium-sized box. I think I may go back and buy the larger one just so I can put more stuff into it, because this is a little disorganized on the inside. It's kind of, everything is just thrown in there because there's not really a way to organize it better. At least I haven't been able to organize it better. So what I am going to do, I think, is go back and buy the larger one. But first, let's get into what is in here. Now, it does have two compartments on the top of it, and I only use one compartment. In that compartment, I have a utility knife. I bought this utility knife from Big Lots. That utility knife also came with more blades, so that's what I also keep in here. Now, opening up the inside of this box, first I have this mini crowbar, which I bought from the Dollar Tree. It has a poncho, I have a KN95 mask, I have some nitrile gloves, I have this mini hammer, which I believe came from Kroger. This glow stick, which comes from Walmart. I have these bungee cords in assorted sizes. It came from the Dollar Tree. These are some little flashlights that I picked up from Walmart. They were only $1. But as I said, the roadside assistance kit does have a flashlight. I got this little mini toolkit from Kroger. I got this work light from the tool section in Ross. And it does have a flashlight on the end of it. some zip ties, these work gloves which I picked up from Big Lots, this multi-tool which I picked up from Walmart. It's by Ozark. I believe it was called a 17-in-1. I don't have the packaging anymore, but if I remember correctly, it said it was a 17-in-1. And I'm just going to give you a look at the attachments on it. So there's that multi-tool. I have this duct tape. This rope, which came from Big Lots. I also have another rope. This one comes from Big Lots as well. These cable cutters. A screwdriver. This large carabiner, another light, another glow stick. This is a collapsible shovel, which I picked up from Walmart. I believe it was by Ozark as well. And another carabiner. Some more carabiners in the bottom as well. But that's pretty much everything that I have in this particular kit. Another very important item to have in the car is an escape tool. I'm going to show you what I keep. This is a Rescue Me tool. Now this item you can actually put on your keychain. I keep it on my house keychain because I feel like it will always be with me even if I'm in someone else's vehicle. Now this item will shatter a window as well as it has a blade that will cut a seat belt. In addition to this item, I have another item that I keep in the armrest of my car. And I'm going to show that item right here. Now this item is by Body Jones. I got both of these items from Walmart. So you can look on walmart.com if you're interested in purchasing either one of these. So those are the items that I keep inside of the car in case of an emergency. Now we're going to move on to that duffel bag that I showed at the beginning of the video. I'm going to open it up, show you what I keep in there as well. So here's that duffel bag. I did pick it up from Walmart a few years ago though. It's probably been at least 4 years. So I don't know if that's something they still have, but I'm sure they've got 10 other kinds of duffel bags at this point, or gym bags rather. This is a gym bag that I picked up. So anyway, I keep water on the outside of the bag in each of the pockets on the outside. Now in the pocket up front, I have this little pouch here, and I just keep feminine hygiene type items in here. Now we're going to move on to the main section of the bag. Now up first, I do have these goggles which I got from the Dollar Tree. I also have some additional goggles that I keep inside of the car because I've been using them when I go grocery shopping. And they are a little bit more expensive than the Dollar Tree ones. I actually bought them from a medical supply store. I also have this blanket in here. I picked it up. I got it from Costco a few years ago. I can't remember why we got it, but we got it for free, and it comes with straps that you can wrap around it, so I decided to put it in here. I also have in here some more water, but I'll probably take that out eventually. I have some wet ones, hand sanitizing wipes. I have some hand warmers. I have some socks. I also have some food in here. I have a couple of these, or I think I have 3 of these tuna salad kits. In this pocket, I have some additional food. So I have these breakfast cookies, another pack of the breakfast cookies, and I believe I have a granola bar in here as well. And that's all the food that I keep in here. Now I have this reflective vest. I got this from the Dollar Tree. I have an emergency blanket. This one comes from Walmart. Some more hand warmers. I have some gloves. I also decided to put this bleeding control kit in here. As I said, the emergency roadside assistance kit does have a first aid kit, but it's a small first aid kit meant for small wounds. And I decided to put that bleeding kit in there in case, you know, there is an accident or there is some sort of event where somebody has experienced some trauma. I figured I'd have that in case. I also have underwear and a change of clothing in here as well. I'm not going to pull that out. And I just realized that I do also have some flushable wipes in there as well, but they must have been hiding under the clothes and I didn't go that far. But anyway, that's everything that I have in my emergency kit. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a great week. Bye-bye.